Tell us, mate, that was pretty awesome. What happened?
Mate, I don't know what happened. Just got to hit it flat out. Going slow, that sucks. It's never going to work.
It's round 2, mate, round 2.
Righto, let's give it a crack.
So guys, what do you think? Loop 1's done. What was your favourite section in there?
Oh, definitely the single track.
The single, that little bit of grass tracky section where it got real green.
And all the log hops.
Yeah, they were good. Did you master all of them? How was it? Loop 1, you're done, it's midday, you're going back out?
Awesome, mate. Yeah, I don't know. It depends if I can lift my arms up after this. See how we go.
Do you reckon you give up racing and become a full-time organised trail rider?
Oh, Hank. Yeah. I'm keen. I'll do it. Especially like we come back here and we get snacks and burgers and shit.
It's good.
I could be a pig. I'm into it. It's like mad. You go sit at a log section and watch them all cartwheel and stuff, and we're all cheering and carrying on, and they're loving it. Like, you expect them to get up, like sucking the big ones in, but they're just cheering and stuff, so that's pretty cool.
It was awesome. So a little bit of everything. There's a little bit of dust on some of the hills. There was a few slip patches as well. Some rocky stuff, some open sort of grass track, which was really fun. A few hills in there, logs, a little bit of everything. It was good.